Do you want to build a website but don't know where to start? It's easy to feel overwhelmed just thinking about coding, hosting, or choosing the right template. Guys, I've got something you'll want to see. I'm Daniel, and today we're talking about Mobirise AI. It's a free browser-based website builder that takes you from idea to live site in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly how Mobirise works. It's one of the easiest ways to build a full website with zero coding required. You'll see how to generate a site with AI, customize it, and publish it for free. And yeah, the results look surprisingly good. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's take a look at what it can actually do. So here's the deal with Mobirise, my friends. It's not just another drag-and-drop builder. It's more like, hey AI, here's what I need, go build it. You just type in a few words describing your website, and Mobirise instantly gives you 4 complete versions of it. I'm talking full layouts, galleries, contact forms. It's all done. You can scroll through them, open them in new tabs, test out the buttons, sliders, menus. It's a real working preview, folks. You can even remix any of them just by hitting one button. Just hit regenerate, and it gives you fresh designs based on the same idea. That's what makes this thing stand out, guys. It doesn't ask you to choose a template or configure 15 different things before you even see a result. It just shows you what's possible. Alright guys, here's how it works. Open your browser and head over to ai.mobirise.com. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see a section called From the Community. These are live examples, real websites made by other people using the exact same tool. Folks, you can click on them, scroll through the content, play with sliders. It's all functional. And if you like the general structure but want a new version, just click Regenerate. It'll remix that site into a fresh layout with the same theme. And by the way, guys, I still haven't signed up at this point. That's what makes it so easy to explore. But let's say you're ready to make your own. Right at the top, there's a text box. Type in whatever your site is about. Maybe it's a landing page for a yoga studio, or a portfolio for a graphic designer with testimonials. You hit Generate Website, folks. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and then the app gives you 3 or 4 unique versions. Each has its own layout, color scheme, and overall design, all ready to preview and test. Click on any of them, and it'll open in a new tab so you can scroll through it like a real website. And if none of them feel quite right, guys, that's not a problem. Hit Regenerate Fast, and it will generate 3 or 4 more versions based on the same prompt. And you can do that over and over again. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, after you choose the template, you're inside the full editor. And folks, this is where the real magic happens. Every part of your site is editable. You can click on any block and start typing to change the text. If you want to replace a background image, just click and upload your own. If you want to move something up or down, drag it. You've got full control, guys. You can also delete anything you don't want, or add new sections using the plus button. There's a full library of blocks, galleries, testimonials, pricing tables, whatever your site needs, it's probably already there. And here's something I really like, my friends. There's an option to generate new pages from scratch. Go to Pages, then Create New Page, and Generate with AI. It'll instantly generate a brand new page for you. It's fully tailored to match your project style and layout preferences. That way you can keep creating without missing a beat. Once you're done editing, guys, the app gives you 2 solid publishing options. The first is that you can publish your site on a free Mobirise subdomain. Just choose a name, hit Publish, and your site is online in seconds. The second is that you can export your site as a zip file and host it wherever you want. That means full control. Folks, you can even move that zip into your own hosting panel, like cPanel or Netlify, and it'll work perfectly. So whether you want something quick and free, or plan to scale up with custom hosting, this thing supports both paths. My friends, Mobirise is for people who want to spend less time struggling with tools and more time actually building something. Maybe you're a small business owner or a freelancer. Or maybe you just want a personal homepage or a resume site. You don't need to hire a developer. You don't need to read documentation. It lets you just start, and it takes care of the rest. And folks, it's not a limited trial. You can build 3 full AI websites per month for free. That's already more than most people need. So to wrap it up, my friends, Mobirise is one of the easiest and most flexible ways I've found to build a real website. You get instant results, you get variety, and you don't even need to touch code. And the fact that you can test all of this without even creating an account is pretty rare. If you're stuck trying to build your first site, guys, or you just want a faster way to launch something new, go try it. Seriously, open their website, type your idea, and see what it comes up with. It's free, fast, and honestly a lot of fun to play with. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like or subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.